Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. First, let us look at the economic calendar for today. Then we'll look at the dollar index price actions, following which we'll do the technical analysis for gold USD. So when we look at the economic calendar for today, we have a medium impacting news for Australian dollar at 6:30 Indian time, and we have low impacting news for most of the major currency pairs. At 6:45 PM also we have medium impacting news for euro currency pairs. At 7:30 PM we have low impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. At 8:45 PM we have medium impacting news for Swiss francs. So today is a combination of low impacting and medium impacting newses. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in hourly time frame of dollar index. When we look at the trend of the market, from here it started its bullish trend and it is continuously in a very strong bullish trend. Currently it has also crossed this level of 98.620 and it is trading between the Fibonacci's retracement level of 78.60 and 61.80. And when we look at the past price action, from here it started its bullish trend and it formed a similar to one triple top pattern. Then the retracement happened and it has retraced 100% from where it started its previous bullish trend. And currently it is on a bullish retracement. And when we look at the area where it is trading near the neckline of the triple top pattern. So this whole area is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone. So, and also it is trading between the 78.60 and 61.80 of Fibonacci's retracement level. Normally this level is considered as a valid retracement level. So we can expect a trend reversal and retest on this support level or the trend line, and to again bounce back on the bullish trend if the DXY is still strong. These are all the current resistance and support levels in hourly time frame for DXY. Let us start our analysis for gold. I'm in daily time frame of gold. When we look at the price action, from here it started its very nice bullish trend and went up to the level of 2073 and retracement had started. And when we analyze how low it is going to fall, we have to look at where are the previous resistance levels, and these resistance levels will be acting as a support levels. Let me mark these levels. So this is the current resistance or support level, and next level of support is going to be around this level. You can notice that it has taken support at this level, then started its bullish trend, and if the price action falls still further, next level of support is going to be around this level. So these are all the support levels. Previously these levels had acted as a very strong resistance levels. We can notice that every time it tested this resistance level, the price action has stopped and retraced. So these are all the very important support levels when the price action retraces. When we look at current trend of the market, from here it was on a very strong bullish trend. So it is still in a bullish trend. When we closely analyze the current trend, I'll draw one more trend line starting from here, and you can clearly notice that it was taking support on this trend line, and at this level, which was around 1951, it broke this support line, and currently the price action is trading below this resistance line or the trend line. So the price action has to break this resistance line if it wants to continue its bullish trend. Currently the price action is taking support at the support level of 1909. It has to break this support level in order to continue its further downtrend. When we look at the past price action trend also, from here it was on a bullish trend, then retracement happened, again went on a bullish trend, then retracement happened, again bullish trend, then retracement. So you can notice that every time it is testing a strong resistance, the retracement had happened, it went up, again it found a very strong resistance and bounced back on the bearish trend. Again it has tested this previous resistance level. Once this price action breaks this support level of 1909, we can expect a further fall and to take support at the support level of 1877. Up to this level, it is only a retracement from where it started its bullish trend. We can still expect a bullish trend reversal at any moment from any of these support levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I have already done the resistance line. From here started its bearish trend and it broke this support level of 1950 and it continued its bearish trend and it couldn't break this support level of 1915, and the price action is currently moving on a sideways between this resistance level of 1950 and support level of 1915. Currently it has broken this trend line over here and it has started its bullish trend. Only when it breaks this resistance level of 1950, we can expect the continuation of this bullish trend. Again we have the resistance line running over here, so it has to break this resistance line also in order to continue its bullish trend reversal. At present the price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a sideways. There is no direction in the market. It is a range bound market. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading within this resistance level of 1950 and support level of 1915. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it has broken this hourly time frame resistance line, so this line becomes invalid. Currently the price action is moving on a sideways and it is in a range bound market for now. Within this range bound market also, we can draw trend lines and do trades within these ranges. And currently the price action has taken support on this trend line. As long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to come down and retest on this 1915 support level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values in black color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I have drawn a trend line over here for 5 minutes time frame. It was taking support on this trend line and it has broken this support line and started its bearish trend. So if the bearish trend still continues, we can expect it to take support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. If the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect it to trend down and take support on the higher time frame support level of 1915. We can expect multiple trends in lower time frames. Previously it was in a bullish trend. Currently it is in a bearish trend. Again we can expect it to make a trend reversal and go on a bullish trend. So the trends in lower time frames always changes because it's a range bound market. So before entering into the trade, we have to analyze the trends in the higher time frame. Then we should decide our entry and exit. Lower time frame trends are useful only for the scalpers. If you are a long-term investor, I recommend you to follow the higher time frame trend lines. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.